Booking.com confirmation email not received. How to get booking confirmation. If you did not get a confirmation email from Booking.com, what you can do is first simply log into Booking.com and try to check the booking confirmation within the reservations tab. So from the app, just go to the bookings option from the bottom of the toolbar right here. Once you're here under bookings, it could be that your booking is not complete, that is why it is not showing up over here. But if it is showing up over here on the bookings tab but you did not receive the code on your email, then you can try to check this spam folder. So for that, simply launch your email and go to the three lines icon there, and you can simply go to the junk folder right here, which is the trash or maybe the spam folder, and from there you should be able to go ahead and then check your confirmation email. This way you can basically get the booking confirmation. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in the next video.